Hi everyone. All right, so as you know by the title, I purchased these, and just like everyone else, I'm sure you've seen these advertised plenty of times, and everyone stating the fact that they work. The short answer is yes, they do, but I want to caution you guys before you just go run out and buy these. So I got mine from Amazon and they were way cheaper, absolutely way cheaper than going through the actual TikTok shop. And I did get the ones that are 40 pads here, and they are just like they are advertised, so they have the little solution in there. How I use these. Okay, so first off, I wear a protective glove, just because some people have reported that they stain your hands, your fingernails. So if you have, a manicure that you want to keep, free of yellow because of the turmeric, then I would suggest wearing gloves. They haven't stained my gloves, so I'm not quite sure as, what they're, usually turmeric will stain anything, so I'm not sure why it hasn't stained the gloves. Also, I'm not sure if this particular one from Amazon is the true product, because a lot of things seem to be, knockoffs everywhere. But I will link the one that where I got mine from below. What else about them? Okay, so I don't use these according to the directions, only because I just want to keep my skin safe. Because there has been reported people saying that the Kojic Acid does end up burning their skin over time. So if with overuse, your skin can get sensitive to it. So there was an incident that I watched on YouTube somewhere where a lady had ordered a similar product, but it was in a bar soap form. And the first soap that she ordered cleared up her skin. Her skin was beautiful, flawless. And then she ordered a second bar of soap just so that she can continue the results. And her skin started literally peeling off and becoming scarred. And she had to go see a real doctor to get it healed up. So, for those of you who are worried about that, this product hasn't done anything to my skin other than making it more even, brighter, better. I haven't experienced any breakouts, but it says so that you might experience a purging period. Also, if you might be allergic to turmeric, so it says warnings about that. And then the Kojic, I think that's how you pronounce it, Kojic Acid. I am well adapted to acids. I've used a lot of acne products before, and a lot of different acids to treat the skin. So my skin is well adapted to usage of that. Is it natural? It's kind of natural, kind of not natural. It actually smells more of citrusy, lemony than turmeric-y. It actually has a really good smell. But as far as the ingredients go, I mean, they're not too terrible. I don't understand a lot of the ingredients. I mean, it does have a preservative in it, grapefruit seed extract, chamomile, vegetable glycerin, which probably isn't the best for you. But the first few ingredients is, of course, water and turmeric extract. And kojic acid is kind of right here on the ingredients. So there's not a whole lot of ingredients, but it's really not jam-packed with a bunch of additives and fillers. As far as how to use them, You are supposed to use them twice a day for 10 minutes, leaving the solution on for 10 minutes. I don't do that. I am a little bit more cautious when I am using these. So how I use mine, and I'm still seeing relatively good results. Mind you, I don't have major issues to deal with discolorization or melasma or dark spots of any kind. I do have this one spot that has popped up over the years, and it has been actually fading it. So if you have major discolorizations, I'm not sure if this is going to be the product for you. But if you're like me and you have minor things that you want to address, like maybe discolorization of your armpits from shaving, I'm doing it under my armpits, on my knees. They seem to be like a little discolored, you know, but little things here and there. I mean, it's not major at all. Not even major enough to show a huge difference in before and after pictures, because it's just not going to capture it through the camera lens. But when I look at my knees, when I look at under my underarms, I can tell that there is a significant lighter difference to my eyes. To your eyes, you're going to be like, I don't see a difference, but I see a little bit of a difference. So that's why these, I say that they do work for minor situations. Major situations, I would go with something different like Muesli. That was another brand that I was going to try out for my face or my underarms or, you know, body part areas. But I decided to go with these because they were cheaper and they were easily accessible. And I just thought, why not try them? But they are working. Like I said, I don't use them according to the instructions. I use mine maybe twice a week, if that. I also don't use it at the same time that I IPL. So what I mean by that is I don't use them at the same time as I'm using this device. So this device is the hair remover. So I use that maybe like the day after or 2 days after that I've already done a treatment with these. So just to be on the more caution safe side. But anyway, they don't really have much of a warning to them. You know, you just basically make sure you keep these out of the sun and use according to your discretion. If you want to use it the way it says, go right ahead. It should be safe. But for me, I use it the way I know that my skin will be adapted to it. So anyway, they do work. They just work a little slower because I'm not using them according to the directions. So anyway, yeah, it's a good buy. Try it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.